Hey guys, welcome back for the weekly crypto forecast. In this week, we're going to be looking at the price of Bitcoin, BTC, USD from Bitstamp as usual. And just to recap here, let's take a look at the last two updates. These are the updates for members of my website actually, but let's see what's been happening here. The previous one was the 1st of February 2020, so it's been exactly 1 month ago. And we were anticipating a local top here between 10,300 and 10,700. The price at that moment was 9,300 more or less. So this one up here at, let's call it 10,500 was the take profit level. If you were doing if you're trading the swings and you're not doing buy and hold, that would be the take profit level for the current or for the upswing that we were having here. Now the last update was the 21st of February 2020, so more or less 10 days ago. And yeah, actually we had a local top here at 10,500, which was the take profit level. And since then, this looked already from here 10 days ago, this really looked already as a legit rejection from this level here, from 10,500 more or less. So I gave two targets in the downside. Of course, it was soon to tell, but the best I could read 10 days ago was 8,900 as a first target, and if this one failed, then 8,500, which are the 38th Fibonacci level and the 50% Fibonacci level. Plus, they are also horizontal support and a few other indicators. Now, since I updated here 10 days ago, 10 days ago, there wasn't as much panic regarding the coronavirus, but very recently, I would say for the past week or so, the panic has been skyrocketing. Traditional markets have been crashing after these updates. Not only traditional markets, also gold, cryptocurrencies, everything, all the markets globally, really, which I can understand why. But now, since this is a new situation, I would say if we take a look at the current chart of BTC right now, we just went through the first target at 8,500, and then now we are bouncing at the second target, 8,500. Now, like I was saying before, this coronavirus panic is something relatively new, so it could be that the panic is going to get worse before getting better. So it could be that we bounce here. I mean, I think we're going to bounce here no matter what, even if it's just an oversold bounce. I think we're going to bounce anytime here at this level at 8,500. But it could be if the coronavirus panic intensifies. It could be that we make a new lower low here, a final lower low, and then what I would anticipate to see the final capitulation, which it would be good to see capitulation with a spike of volume, confirming capitulation before we actually have a reversal. That would be the best signal to spot a reversal. I would like to see actually capitulation in price action and in volume before calling for a more confirmed reversal. Right now we didn't have capitulation. It doesn't mean it has to happen. We could very well bounce here and resume the bull trend. I mean, the big picture hasn't changed. We've been in a solid uptrend since the very bottom here at $3,000, doing higher lows here, so the trend is still up. So I mean, unless we break the previous significant low here, which was more or less at 6,500. If we were to go below 6,500, then yes, get worried because the trend could be broken. It's still not going to be a confirmation because we still have the other low here at 3,000, but things would be ugly. However, I don't think that's probable. We have a long way to go until 6,500. So really anywhere above 6,500 would still be perfectly valid. The uptrend here, the uptrend support here would still be valid. So yeah, nothing changes. I'm bullish as ever. I'm just a little bit uncertain for the short term due to this coronavirus panic. I don't know how people are going to react. The panic usually comes in waves. I think we've seen the first wave of panic. We could have another wave of panic. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, so I'm 50-50. So how do you trade this? This will all depend. I mean, the answer is going to be different for each person, literally. For me, I haven't been buying in any of these levels here, but because one, I hold quite a bit of crypto already, and second, I get paid in crypto. So because I get paid in crypto pretty much every day, I get paid at any level. So I don't really need to be buying unless I will be actually buying if I see capitulation, like I said before. If I see capitulation in price action and in volume, then I'm gonna see it as this is too much of a good opportunity not to buy a little bit. So I would be buying if I see capitulation, but otherwise I'm just holding what I have. I'm happy holding through the ups and downs because I've been accumulating since the bottom basically here. So that's my personal situation. But if for example, if I didn't have enough crypto, if I didn't have any crypto, I would be buying like crazy here. I would be buying big time already. I would have been buying at 8,500. So it all depends how much crypto you hold, how much cash you have left to invest. It depends on your income as well. I mean, if you have a job or you have your own business and you have a decent income, then I wouldn't worry too much. I mean, I would worry only if I really needed the cash, if I was like all in crypto and now all of a sudden I have to pay a huge bill, something unexpected happened in my life or something and I really needed the cash, then yes, I wouldn't be comfortable with this situation because right now is not the time to sell, definitely, after such a drop. But yeah, like I said, this is not one answer fits all. This is everyone needs to act according to their own personal situation, their own finances, and so yeah. But this is how I see the situation. All I can do here is read the charts to the best of my ability and inform of what I think or where I think the price is going. Okay, guys, I updated the charts, or the rest of the charts for members of my website, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Dominant. If you are interested, just join the membership. It's really cheap. I'm running an offer now, 3 months for the price of one. So I'm saying this because I get requests on Twitter all the time. People asking me, can you update Ethereum? Can you update this? Can you update that? Guys, I do one video a week for YouTube, usually BTC or Bitcoin Cash. The rest I update here for members. So just join us on the groups if you're really interested. And that's all I have for this week, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.